guys, it's JJ and today I'll be teaching you how to make a Lego piano. So first of all, you'll have to start off by making a 3x6 base. You see, you start off like this and add in the bits so it will end up being 3x6. So once you've done this, add in more 1x2s or 1x4s, as I have doing here. So it should end up looking like this. That's just going to be the base. And then you'll do the same on top. Start making your 3x6. And make sure it's on exactly on top. So, yes. It just has to start filling it up. Add in all your bits you can find for it. Like this. And you don't have to use these exact pieces. It just has to equal up to a 3x6. And then on top you will get a 2x6 plate. Place it on top. And then you'll get a 1x6 plate like this and place it on top like that. So once you've done that, you'll get a 1x2 brick, put it on the side like that, make sure there's one space in front, and get another 1x2 and put it on top like that. So it should look like this. And then what you want to do is fill in this space here. See? It's starting to look like a piano. And if you want, you can add 3 pedals on the bottom. Then what you do is you get a 1x2 grid piece, place it on the sides like that. And then we're going to do the keys. So you get 4 1x2 grids, white, make sure they're white. And make sure this top layer here is black so it looks like this black and white keys. And you'll fiddle this in here so it looks like that. So it looks like a piano a bit now. And then what you'll do is get this. You don't have to use this. You don't even need this at all. You can just, this is for accessories. You get one of these, a 1x4 brick that you can move. Place it on top. As I said, you don't have to do this. And then get a music thing, could be different to this, and place it on there. And then it's done. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!